Welcome back, Homebodies. So today's video will be over me doing Serenity's hair. I literally just got her hair pressed, but we're not going to talk about that. We're going to talk about the future, the here, and the now. And we're headed back out of town tomorrow, actually. Today Thursday. Yeah, we headed out of town tomorrow. And I needed to rewash her hair, style it in whatever style that's gonna last me until we get back Monday, Labor Day. And y'all pray for me, okay? But today's style, I don't really have one yet. Y'all gonna see and be surprised with me. So this is real time, real life. And yeah, so we're gonna hop into some of the things that I'm gonna use on her hair and go from there. Okay, so today we picked up some more Anasi products. I did pick up this Bask and Bloom Essentials Gentle Cleanser because I'm running low on this one, but you guys, I mean it when I tell you that a little goes a super long way with this. So I hope and pray that this is gonna be about the same. They're both 8 ounces. It's just, you know, one skinny, one short. This stuff is amazing. So this is one that I've been using after I ran out of this one because I only bought the 8 ounces. And this time I got smart and I got the 16 ounce. So this one is pretty pricey. Okay, this one is absolutely a splurge. This one was $26.99, but y'all, I cannot begin to tell you how much I love this stuff. So I went ahead and splurged on it. But in the meantime, in between time, I was using this on her hair by Talia Wajid. And one of the things that I really like about both of these is that they have aloe in it, aloe leaf juice. So I noticed a huge difference in her hair since I've started using both of these products. I also picked up more of this conditioner. Serenity likes to say that she can feel the air on her scalp when we use this. So I agree though. It's pretty amazing. And then they also have the custard. Let me get you guys. Get it to zoom in. There we go. Ma'am, can you and Zuzu? But I also picked up, give me a second, okay? I also picked up this custard from Anasi. This leaves zero buildup, zero problems. It's well worth the $30 that I paid for it. I am glad that they did switch the packaging because initially it was in a bottle like this and it was heavy trying to get it out the bottle, but I'm gonna open it so you guys can see the texture of it. It's really jelly. Oh, look at that. Can you see how jelly that is? When I say it glides through her hair, it glides. Now this is good. It's by Beautiful Textures. It smells just as good. It's just as jelly. It has that same jelly consistency. But this leaves product buildup, honestly. But this, they're very, very comparable in like the consistency. Smell, they both smell really good. Really, really good. The only difference is this is $6.99 and this is $30. So I don't know how your pockets be looking, but the amount of hair that I do, I can't always spend. Okay, I just can't. This oil is actually a hair growth oil. I will have to get her information and leave it in the information box below because I have no idea what's in this. All I know is that it's been working and It smells like it's tea tree and mint in it. I don't know. Don't have me lying. That's it. And for everything that I just pulled out the bag, I spent $100. I don't know about you and what your pockets look like, but it ain't always that I can splurge like this. But I can say that the 8 ounce of this Anasi lasted us about 3 or 4 months. Wouldn't you say? Y'all, wait a minute. Why does she need to rock a dog that got 4 legs, y'all? Why does she need to rock the dog? Serenity, why are you rocking the dog that has 2 additional legs? Two more legs than you.
She's happy.
Okay, well come on so I can be happy that your hair done.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm starting out by kind of separating her hair, and if y'all could see these edges that she just insists on laying, it is full of that gold eco styler gel. So unfortunately the shampoo did not work to remove all of that because it was too gentle. I do recommend using it for in between, like your hair is not really dirty, but you don't want to just co-wash with a conditioner. These products, not so much the Anasi. The Anasi did really good, but the other one, I would definitely suggest using it for a co-wash, like a step above using a conditioner as a co-wash. Okay, so I know that this is not a review on any of these products, but that Anasi is my absolute favorite. I've been hooked since I bought it. Literally, a little goes a super long way. If you can see how well it lathered up, I did end up using a little bit more, but you guys, I mean, like, it just lathers so well. And I mean, that 8 ounce bottle, like I said, lasted us about 3 or 4 months. Because her hair was not curling back up as much as I wanted it to, I decided to go in with 3 different shampoos, as you will see. This is my first time using this, and like I said, I like it, but it's definitely an in-between co-wash type of shampoo because it was just entirely too gentle. I was getting so frustrated already with this product simply because I was using entirely too much for it to be an 8 ounce bottle. Like, I was already done, so I ended up pulling out my Carol's daughter just to kind of get her hair to kind of fluff out some more. We do practice curly summers and straight winters, so although it's still beaming hot outside, I did need it to go get her hair trimmed and molded so that as we moved into the pressed winters, her hair was already trimmed and ready to go. This is when her hair officially was clean. I love the Anasi because it lathers up very well, and I don't need a lot, but I can definitely say that it's not a product to remove product buildup, whereas the Carol's daughter, it's very mild, and it does help remove product buildup like I wanted. I have no idea what is in this oil, you guys. All I know is she called it the hair growth serum. Down below in the description box, I do have her location and contact information so that you guys can either buy from the boutique that I went to, or you can go directly to the website. But I love applying this all over her hair and sectioning it off before I apply the conditioner. And you will see that I do like to focus this oil on her edges, because Lord knows this little girl slathers, okay? And when I say slathered, that is the nicest way to say that she literally piles on gel and whatever else she can get her hands on to slick them edges down. Me and Serenity absolutely love this conditioner. It's very refreshing on the scalp. I've noticed a huge transformation in Serenity's scalp, and I feel like it's very moisturizing along with the oil. Serenity got a lot of hair, y'all. She really do got a lot of hair. So wash day usually takes me sometimes between 2 hours, and if I'm pressing, it could take me up to 3 just to go through the wash process, deep condition, and make sure that I prepare her hair properly before applying any heat. But as you will notice, I like to try and start down at the tips of her hair and then comb up, because she is extremely tender-headed. I don't know what is going on with her scalp, but you guys, like, her hair is, I'm sorry, not her hair, but her scalp is so tender that sometimes I go back through her hair and find scabs, because when I did her hair while it was wet, it was okay, but then once her hair dried, the tension on her scalp was just entirely too much. Not with you. Y'all, I really can't part to save my little life, but I do like this Anasi leave-in conditioner. Like I said, it was a splurge, but I love the consistency, and I've noticed a huge difference in Serenity's hair. I do not splurge often, but when I find a product that Serenity's hair responds to very well, I stick with it. We've been using the Carol's Daughters since 2011, and it's done amazing. As you notice, I am going in with Sulfur 8 on her scalp, like I said, because when I do her hair when it's wet, for some reason the tension is just too much. But as you notice, this custard from Anasi is freaking amazing. Like, her hair curled up immediately once I applied it. Look, I'm gonna just let y'all watch this semi crisscross action that I was trying to, you know, figure out as I was going. But those Goodies rubber bands are not worth the money, okay? But those, I can say she got in a pool like 3 or 4 times with those rubber bands, and they did not pop, and they did hold her hair very well. because I am trying to encourage some type of independence with her hair, I have my stash and she has her stash. Let me know down in the comments if you guys would like to see a review of her stash versus my stash. Because she cannot live without having these baby hairs, I went on ahead and pulled them out so you know I can zhuzh them up for her. Okay, so we are done. Turn around, girl. Look at my work. Come on, step up. Oh, girl got that rainbow unicorn. Oh, back up, back up, back up. Say, ooh, how cute. Uh-oh. Say, I'm cute, cute. You like it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say see you later, homebodies.
See you later, homebodies.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.
Like,
comment,
and subscribe.
and subscribe.
Make sure that you hit all the time so that you get all of my updates, okay? YouTube be acting funny. And
make sure you hit the notification bell. It's going to have two things.
It's going to have 3 bells. It's going to say none, sometimes, all.
Bye-bye.
Blow kisses.
Mwah.